Di depan hati.
Let's go out and be wild, do it while we can. Ooh, ooh. Running free in the world, we got all we can. Ooh, ooh. Tear it up, tear it down, getting lost in the sound of our hearts beating. Take me here, take me now, getting lost in the crowd with you.
Selamat datang di kereta api Bogowonto yang akan mengantarkan kita ke tujuan akhir stasiun Pasar Senen. Perjalanan kali ini menempuh waktu 8 jam 12 menit. Selama perjalanan, kita juga akan menikmati keindahan alam dan warisan sejarah PT Kereta Api Indonesia, antara lain Terowongan Ijo, Terowongan Kebasen, Terowongan Notog, dan Jembatan Sakalibel. Kami ingatkan kembali bahwa perjalanan ini adalah perjalanan bebas asap rokok. Untuk itu, kami mohon Anda untuk tidak merokok di toilet maupun di bordes. Mohon periksa dan teliti kembali barang bawaan Anda. Jangan sampai ada yang tertinggal di stasiun. Jika ada keluhan, kritik maupun saran, silakan menghubungi petugas secara langsung atau melalui nomor telepon yang tertera di dinding kereta. Terima kasih atas kepercayaan Anda kepada kami. Selamat menikmati perjalanan aman dan nyaman Anda bersama PT Kereta Api Indonesia. Good morning, dear passengers. On behalf of PT Kereta Api Indonesia and the crew on duty, we would like to welcome you aboard the Bogowonto train, which will take us to our final destination at Pasar Senen Station. This journey taking about 12 hours, 8 minutes. During the journey, we will also enjoy the beauty of nature and the historical heritage of PT Kereta Api Indonesia, including Ijo Tunnel, Kebasen Tunnel, Notog Tunnel, and Sakalibel Bridge. We remind you again that this is a smoke-free journey. Therefore, we kindly request you not to smoke in the toilets or on the platforms. Please check and double-check your belongings, ensuring nothing is left behind at the station. If there are any complaints and suggestions, kindly contact our duty officers or call the number displayed on the train's wall. Thank you for your trust in us. Enjoy your safe and comfortable journey with PT Kereta Api Indonesia.
Perjalanan ini bebas asap rokok. Selamat menikmati perjalanan Anda. Terima kasih.
For your convenience and security, please be informed that this is a non-smoking train. You are not allowed to smoke anywhere on the train. Enjoy your trip. Thank you.
Dear passengers, we would like to remind you to please use the restroom based on your gender. Thank you. Pelanggan yang kami hormati, demi ketertiban dan kenyamanan dalam perjalanan kereta api, mohon perhatiannya untuk duduk sesuai dengan nomor tempat duduk dan turun sesuai dengan relasi yang tertera pada tiket. Jika kedapatan turun melebihi relasi, akan kami kenakan sanksi berupa denda atau tidak diperkenankan naik kereta untuk sementara waktu sesuai dengan ketentuan yang berlaku. Terima kasih.
somebody touch it unless that somebody's me. I gotta be a man, there ain't no other way. Cause girl, you're hotter than a Southern California day. I don't wanna play no games, you don't gotta be afraid. Don't give me all that shy shit, no makeup on, that's my sugar. Yes, please, come and put it down on me. Right here, 'cause I need a lot, a little sympathy. So
underestimate the power of the dark side. Of the dark side.
Even though you know that you're falling, maybe you're falling, but you're still alive. Ready yourself, that's quite enough for your bowling. 'Cause baby, you're bowling, but you'll survive. Ooh, 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 ooh. And losing is only a sign. It's only a sign that you really tried, really tried. Losing is only a sign. It's only a sign that you really tried, really tried. Forever trading places with the
stripped your love down to the wire. Fire shining cold alone outside. You stripped it right down to the wire. But I see you behind those tired eyes. Now as you wade through the shadows that live in your heart, you'll find the light that leads home. 'Cause I see you for you and your beautiful scars. Take my hand, don't let go. 'Cause it's not too late, it's not too late. I see the hope in your heart. And sometimes you lose and sometimes you're shooting broken arrows in the dark. But I see the hope in your heart. In the light, kind of blue that leaves you lost and blind. The only thing that's black and white is that you don't have to walk alone this time. You have to tear down the walls that live in your heart to find someone you call home. Now you see me for me and my beautiful scars. Take my hand, don't let go. 'Cause it's not too late, it's not too late. I see the hope in your heart. And sometimes you lose and sometimes you're shooting broken arrows in the dark. But I see the hope in your heart.
Everything's not cool.
I am so depressed.
Everything's not awesome. Whoa, I think I finally get Radiohead.
Bro, you should check out Elliott Smith.
What's the point? There's no hope. Awesomeness was a pipe dream.
Aye, my spirits be at the bottom of the sea.
Love's not real, I just wanna eat carbs past the ice cream.
I'm not a thing you can just use to fill emotional voids with.
Stop. Everyone, okay, just listen.
Everything's not awesome, but that doesn't mean that it's hopeless and bleak. Everything's not awesome, but in my heart I believe.
We can make things better if we stick together. If we stick together. Side by side, you and I, we will build it together.
Yeah, build it together.
Build it together. Together forever. All together now. This song's gonna get stuck in
shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. Light a fire they can't put out, carve your name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores, don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I heard him say, when you get older your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Bogowonto saat ini telah tiba di Stasiun Bekasi. Titik-titik keluar berada di sebelah. Karena saya katakan kereta ini, titik keluar